Vyapar business, what exactly is it, according to Binod sir?
Man, he is someone who we consider a god.
How did YY go outside Nepal?
2006 okay 7 months we set up the first plant in Sikkim.
YY logo देखेपछि चाहिँ जहाँसुकै देख्यो भने पनि यो हाम्रो हो हुँदो रहेछ कि
यो हाम्रो हो भन्ने फिलिङ चाहिँ सबैको मनमा छ कि बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिङ इज योर टिम चाहिँ एकदमै बलियो हुनुपर्छ कि हाम्रो.
Are you ready to connect to a perfect journey with Turkish Airlines? To feel at home?
Good morning.
To enjoy a world of flavors? To share experiences? And make memories that last a lifetime? To reach new heights of happiness? To connect to a journey that's perfect because of you.
Vyapar business, what exactly is it, according to Binod sir, back in the day when you were young?
Man, he is someone who we consider a god. What he's done, his whole life, he's scripted in that Atmakatha ma lekhnu bhako थियो अनि यहाँ चाहिँ India, Nepal चाहिँ making it big भन्ने he had done that. It's everything is there. You read that book and you're like, dude, what he's done is something unthinkable. And imagine him being there every day to guide us, literally hold a hand and show us the path. We can't find a better guide than him. And he's done it by himself. So at least, the platform which he's given us, if we don't multiply 10 times, the whole meaning of living is missed out. Okay? You live when you're able to multiply, grow. Growth is life, Mansani. So that's what the three of us, we are doing now. We're just spreading the wings.
Interesting. 2025, you want to make it a $5 billion business. Is that...
Well, we're in the process of growing. Let's not put any number to it.
Okay.
But all of us, let's say, you've also, been wondering what the three of us actually
exactly
look after.
कसरी चाहिँ भनौँ न, how did it all come together? How does 160 plus companies come together, more than 120, 130 brands?
Yeah.
And how does it all come together between three brothers?
Okay, so...
And then sir as well.
Yeah, of course. So, obviously my father's the chairman. Nirvan Dai चाहिँ, he looks after all the businesses primarily of Nepal. Except cement comes under me. A little, then Ayurveda and your biotech comes under me. Rahul looks after real estate in Nepal and outside of Nepal in Dubai. He looks after hospitality globally.
Rahul takes care of hospitality completely.
Globally. Nirvan looks after also the bank in Sri Lanka and also the telecom asset in Moldova. And I look after my food, which is the YY business outside of Nepal, globally. So be it the plants in India, we were 13 plants in India, be it Serbia, be it Kazakhstan, be it Bangladesh, and now Egypt. And my focus is just to drive the growth and make YY popular as much as I can globally. We're in 50 countries already.
YY?
50.
So how did okay, this is a very interesting story. YY's story everybody has heard already. How did it start? How did YY go outside Nepal?
So we started to export 30 years back to India पहिला.
Sikkim, Nepali Basi?
The northeast, Darjeeling, Sikkim side. And in 2006 okay 7 months we set up the first plant in Sikkim.
2006 ma?
6 ma. And then there was no looking back. Then Assam, Guwahati, then Silchar, then Rudrapur, then Purnia, Bihar, then South ma Chittoor, then we came back to Rajasthan. So I think overall in 7 locations we were 13 plants. And we've just been growing. Then we went out of India to Serbia to cater to the whole Europe. So we export to USA, Europe, UK, Canada, all these places. Kazakhstan is for Central Asia. Bangladesh is for that region. Now Egypt is basically going to be the gateway for
Africa,
Middle East and Africa. So that's how we are trying to cover the whole world.
कसरी के how is YY loved all around the world? Like how did that happen? Like त्यस्तो छैन नि त. We have no other business that has gone global,
Yeah.
and then that's YY यस्तो छ कि भन्दै मलाई लाग्छ YY मेरो हो. हरेक नेपालीलाई लाग्छ कि YY आफ्नो हो नि त. And you've taken it all around the world.
Yeah.
त्यो मान्छेलाई मन पनि पर्नु पर्यो नि हैन. How does it work?
So the biggest ambassadors of YY have been you and me. It's such a special case study that through word of mouth, it became popular. YY चाहिँ त्यो बोर्डिङ स्कुलमा जाँदाखेरि कोसी त हुँदैन थियो नेपालबाट होइन
Oh.
अनि imagine 30 yearsसम्म back to back, even now, let's say when I go to my school as an alumni, even now the tradition continues. Be it in Missouri, Dehradun, be it anywhere in Darjeeling, be it anywhere. So Ayushman, my brother, I got him as our brand ambassador for India. A lovely guy. Lovely guy. And we felt that, YY needs a face. And I mean, he's probably the best face for this brand. He relates to the youth.
So how did India pan out? How did India work out for YY?
Beautifully. That's the reason why we are in 7 states.
We're number 2?
Well, we are number 2 in India. We're number 2, at least we're number 1 in actually East India. Imagine. And we're fighting big boys there. So we've really made Nepal proud.
म सिक्किमबाट दार्जिलिङ होइन म सिक्किमबाट फर्किरहेको थिएँ क्या दार्जिलिङतिर गइरहेको थिएँ कि म सिलगढी आउँदाखेरि चाहिँ होइन मलाई अहिलेसम्म याद छ I texted
You tagged all 3 of us on the Instagram.
Yeah, I tagged all 3 of you on Instagram. No, म हिँडिरहेको थिएँ सिलगढीमा म यसो माथि हेर्छु यो त हाम्रो हो होइन यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ कि वरुण I've never shared this with you or Nirvana or anybody होइन YY लोगो देखेपछि चाहिँ जहाँसुकै देख्यो भने पनि यो हाम्रो हो हुँदो रहेछ कि अनि as soon as I saw that I took a picture with I think that was your office.
My office
यो अफिस नो होइन अनि मैले यसरी गरेर गरेको थिएँ प्लस म फर्केर आउँदाखेरि टिस्टा खोलाको छेउमा चाहिँ एउटा ठुलो होर्डिङ बोर्ड पनि छ होइन त्यो त्यसको फोटो खिच्न मैले पाइनँ I was coming back on the bike but I saw त्यो टर्नमा एउटा ठुलो होर्डिङ बोर्ड छ कि it just feels that it's ours.
So you've given such a beautiful tagline, यो हाम्रो हो. That actually I think I'll steal that. यो हाम्रो हो भन्ने feeling चाहिँ सबैको मनमा छ कि. I mean, I was in Europe last month, and looking at the way हाम्रो नेपालीहरू पनि, the way we've spread all over the world.
The diaspora is all around the world.
It's everywhere. There's not a single European country where हाम्रो नेपालीहरू छैन. नेपालीहरू हामीहरू सबै ठाउँमा पुगिसक्यो कि why? Because यो हाम्रो हो भन्ने नै त्यो फिलिङ चाहिँ सबैका छ कि. अस्ट्रेलिया कस्तो ठुलो भइसक्यो. अस्ट्रेलिया, मलेसिया, कतर, UAE, जापान, UK, US, होइन these are the areas नि.
इन्डियामा हाउसहोल्ड नेम बनाउनलाई कतिको ट्रिकी हुँदो रहेछ just trying to understand the business behind it.
India it's too competitive. There are, let's not forget there are 1.3, 1.4 billion people also.
Exactly.
होइन. So YY को चाहिँ एउटा डिस्टिङसन के छ भनेपछि you can eat it raw होइन. त्यो मान्छेले चाहिँ त्यो स्कुलदेखि नै you crush the packet, put masala, खायो होइन. It's the easiest meal for all of us नि.
Oh.
So it was like a currency for me in school नि.
No. YY छ भने चाहिँ ढुक्क हुन्छ नि. So how difficult is it at the moment or was it to penetrate the Indian market?
See, nothing is easy. Nothing is easy. It's all about mehnat. That's it. You lose sight, you're out of the game. Business today has become so difficult and so competitive that you got to be alive every second of your life. You don't know who's coming next. सो द बिगेस्ट ब्लेसिङ इज यर टिम. टिम चाहिँ एकदमै बलियो हुनुपर्छ क्या हाम्रो. अनि टिम चाहिँ हामीले बलियो बनाएको छ हाम्रो ग्लोबली नै. सो त्यसैले वर्षौँ 3 डेकेडै भइसक्यो नि, बढी नै भयो, 4 डेकेडै हुन लागिसक्यो. हो 4 डेकेडै हुन लागिसक्यो
अलमोस्ट हुन लाग्यो.
अलमोस्ट लाग्यो होइन. अनि त्यसैले टिमले गर्दा चाहिँ हामीले अहिले झन् बिजनेस त्यो बढाउनमा चाहिँ हाम्रो पनि एउटा के भन्ने एउटा प्यासन भनौँ न होइन यसो लाग्यो.
तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जोय गर्नुभयो होला. अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ युट्युबमा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला. व्यास मिडिया नेटवर्क.